Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study a diploma in cloud cybersecurity. First, establish a strong foundation in core IT areas. Understand networking fundamentals, like how data travels and the role of firewalls. Next, gain proficiency in operating system security for Linux and Windows environments. Finally, delve into cloud computing basics, exploring services and architecture of major providers such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building your cybersecurity expertise. Moving on, focus on developing core cloud security skills. A critical area is identity and access management, or IAM, ensuring only authorized users and services can access cloud resources. You'll also learn to implement robust data protection strategies, utilizing encryption and data loss prevention. Configuring network security controls like virtual private clouds and security groups is essential. Finally, practice conducting security assessments and managing vulnerabilities within cloud environments to identify and mitigate risks effectively. Now, let's dive into more advanced topics and potential specializations. You'll explore cloud security architecture, learning to design secure and resilient cloud systems. Understanding incident response and forensic analysis in a cloud context is vital for handling breaches. Additionally, familiarize yourself with key compliance frameworks such as GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO 27001. Crucial for regulatory adherence. Gaining practical experience with security automation and integrating security into DevSecOps will also significantly enhance your skill set. Finally, consider your career path and the importance of continuous learning. Actively seek internships or entry-level positions to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Pursuing industry certifications, such as CompTIA Security Plus or the Certified Cloud Security Professional, can significantly boost your credentials. The cybersecurity landscape evolves rapidly, so staying updated with emerging threats and new cloud security technologies is paramount. Network with professionals and participate in cybersecurity communities to share knowledge and grow your expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.